Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'll just get to it as per usual. So this is a quick analysis and summary of how I basically found my sketches for this photo, and as you can see it's from the same photo and I've no idea what's happened to that nose. The nose, and actually from here down, no idea. So this is why I do these, and also this nose. Oh my word. I think it's one of those days where I'm just going to write it off to some of these sketches not actually having worked out, which happens. I'm feeling quite tired, to be honest, but yeah, it's one of those times where you just kind of put it down to having not the greatest days. So these, if you don't know, I do a set time for each sketch, and this one actually took 3 minutes 20 seconds. It's supposed to be 3 minutes. It was originally 4 minutes, but I'm trying to get down to eventually a minute and a half if I can get there. I have done it a couple of times, so I know that I can do it. It's just, again, practice. This was 2.5 minutes, and this was 2 minutes, and yeah, that is, it's too ball-like. Now it's too long and too joyish, mouth, nose, yeah. So I'm just going to wrap it up to not my best work, but I know where to go, what to do, how to improve basically. As always, I used geometric and observational methods along with the good speed and the feedback loop. Let me know what you think, and if you need more information, contact me and I will let you know.